Hi guys, so you've recently just bought a new computer or you're using someone else's laptop or desktop and there's no Microsoft Office installed and you need to do something urgently. So don't panic, this is how you do it for free. Let's go. So first things first is to make sure to log into your Gmail account. You need to have a Gmail account in order to do this, so log in really quick. And then after logging in, click at the 9 dots on the top right, and then we have both sheets, we have docs and slides. I'll open each and every item in singular tab. Yes, so we're going to start with Google Docs. Click on blank document. Once your blank document is loaded, type in your project, your whichever it is that you want to type. I'll do a business proposal, and the best thing about this is you can save in any format that you want, be it a Word document, be it PDF. You can save it in any format that you want. For now, I'll do PDF. So click at the PDF, download PDF, and then a prompt will come and it will be saved as a PDF document. Then you can send it to whoever you're sending it to. So do the same thing with sheets and slides. Just click blank sheets, click blank presentation, and then you can proceed. So for more tips and tricks, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and let me know if you need explanation in any other videos. Thank you.